Hi folks, it is time for science. This is a little bit different setup for our weekly agenda, but I figured that, hey, I'm typing this out on this agenda anyways, might as well just kind of expedite it and not have to type it out again somewhere else. Anyways, so this is your screencast for Tuesday 4/21. We are going to introduce the cardiovascular system, and you're going to notice that this kind of agenda looks very, very similar to what we did in the last 2 weeks for the digestive system, and that's by design. If I can kind of make this a very similar process each week, so there's consistency week to week in what you're doing and how you're doing it, what you're submitting, I think that that might be something really helpful for you so you know exactly what you should expect. All right, so taking a look at what we are doing. You're going to be taking some notes. Again, I'm not assessing those notes, but you will be allowed to use those on the end of the unit open note quiz. You'll also be watching a crash course and complete the question guide for it, and that's what you turn in. And then the kind of assignment that you work on the side will be a circulation POGL. Other thing to worry about is the attendance question. Let's go into Schoology and take a look at what that looks like from this end. Again, it's unpublished right now, but it will be published by the time you can watch this recording. So, we have our attendance question here, and then you'll just click into assignment for April 21st, and you'll have a recap of what you just saw in this agenda. You have some notes, which are here, a PowerPoint and the note taker. These just lead you to Google Docs and Google Slides. You can go ahead and if you're doing the note taker, open that up and make a copy if you just want to fill it in. Or I see that some folks print them out and actually fill them in by hand. That's great too. Whatever works for you. Other thing is the crash course. So I do have the crash course linked. As well as I have the questions right here. And then last thing is that circulation POGL. This is a 4-page document. We're going to split this out into 4. So that leads to about 1 page per day. So you'll be worrying about this first page in Model 1. And this kind of talks about how are materials moved by the circulatory system, which is kind of the biggest deal about why we're concerned about our circulatory system. Why do we want to move materials around? Why is that important? And how the heck does the heart do it? It's amazing. So, looks very similar to what we did for digestion. Hopefully that helps you in terms of organizing and spreading your time out a little bit and understanding what's expected of you. As usual, I am available during the class time or during office hours if you have questions or need help, as well as through email. I wish you all the best and we'll see you next time. Bye!